What you want to do is just put a little bit of tab of it. This gun is fairly new, so I'm cleaning it before I'm shooting it. The only time it has been shot was when they tested it. But I'm just cleaning it and lubing it up before I take it out to the range. And you want to rifle it through the same direction that the bullet is traveling out of the barrel. So from rear to front. And then snake it through and just run it like 5 times. What you can do is take it out, flip it over, and reuse it. I'm not using this because it shouldn't be too dirty. So next time when I put more rounds through it, then I should run this through the bore as well. Okay, now I'm cutting up dry pieces. I'm gonna run through the bore with these dry cloths. This is a dry piece. It's starting to come out drier and cleaner. I think this is gonna be the last pass. Okay, so now you want to place 2 drops of oil on the hammer and the hammer pivot. So A and B, Remington Rem oil. All right, so 2 drops here and 2 drops here. And then 1 drop right in here. And at this point, do not pull the hammer. Here goes the warning right here. All right. Put 2 to 3 drops on the left and right slider raceways. So right in here, there's quite a bit of oil already. Just gonna take it off. Just gonna try and wipe some down for as much as I can. So 2 to 3 drops. 1, 2, put it back. 3. Up in here. 1, 2, back here. 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 up here. Run it up and down a little bit. I'm gonna put some oil on this guy right here too. I don't know what it's called. 1 drop. Let it run. 1 drop. Same with all these hinges here. So just 1 here, 1 on each of these posts. If it's too runny, go ahead and just wipe it down. I wouldn't recommend putting any on the springs because it doesn't call for that. Now it's time to put this back together. So this is the firing pin. It's gonna hit, that's where it's gonna hit the bullet. So that's where you want the contact. And this post up here is gonna stick up. And this is pointing forward that way. Put this guy back in. So the bolt goes in the front. And this catch goes in the rear. And just let it slide down naturally, and it should lock into place, just like that. Functions checked. Fire. Hammer should fall. So now I'm just gonna wipe it down with a dry cloth. And hopefully it doesn't leave any marks or stains. It says it's safe for all finishes of the gun. I bought these towels from Walmart. Okay, there you go. Took most of the dirt and fingerprints, grime, oil, whatever.